Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a beautiful happy winter greeting animation using Pixverse. It's super easy, completely beginner friendly, and yes, you can do it for free with the daily credits. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Pixverse app, or you can also use the web versions or just use the mobile app versions like this. And then next, just simply log in with your Google account, and don't worry, Pixverse will give you a free daily credit so you can generate animations every single day without paying anything. And then after that, once you open the app, you will be land on the homepage like this, and then just simply tap on the template section. Just go to template sections, and then just go to search bar, and then just search for the effect that called happy winter like this, and then next just enter this effect. Just tap on it. Okay, like this. You will see a cozy winter theme animation template like this with a snowfall and then soft lighting and festive winter greeting vibes like this. This is perfect for a template for creating a warm, cheerful winter animation from your photo. And then next, just simply tap on use template and then just choose your photo that you want to transform like this. And then after that, simply tap on create. It will take 30 credits. This one, just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, like this. Your happy winter greeting animation is ready. You will see your photo transform into a cute winter scene with the cute winter outfit like this. And then it has a snowfall and then magical greeting text like this. And honestly, it looks like a mini winter postcard that comes to life. And okay, maybe that's it. It's super quick and super easy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.